This is also a case about loyalty. In October 2015, a business plan to start a competing school in Long Beach came to the attention of the owners and the administration of AUHS. Within the business plan were the names of several current and former members of the AUHS faculty, including Dr. Bralock and Mr. Fryman. Ms. Dang and Pastor Johnson are small business owners. They started this school from scratch. They found out that somebody that they were paying was potentially involved in the development of a competing school. And so they did the common sense thing. They investigated it. They didn't immediately terminate their employment. They didn't show them the door. They placed them on administrative leave for nearly 4 months, paid administrative leave for 4 months, while they investigated this potential development of a competing school. It took the reasonable and responsible steps to conduct that investigation. They brought in an outside investigator. They attempted to meet with Dr. Bralock, with Mr. Fryman, and to gain information from them and from other people who were potentially involved in the development and founding of that school. You heard the name Okizi Aroma mentioned earlier. We will talk about Mr. Aroma a little bit more later. He was the potential founder of this competing school. And while Ms. White may or may not accurately represent that there was not a registration on the Board of Registered Nursing, there was a filing done with the Secretary of State in the name of this competing school. This was a going concern, whether or not it currently exists now. And just because it didn't actually start operating, that doesn't mean that the plans to get it start operating could have been ignored. AUHS simply couldn't justify retaining the services of faculty members who were implicated in the development of the school, but would not engage fully with the school or its investigator to discuss the facts or what they had seen. Talk about the chicken in the hen house. The school, after 4 months of administrative leave and after conducting an investigation, which you will hear from the investigator, they've terminated the employment of Dr. Bralock and Mr. Fryman.